Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing interview. I'm checking out these EcoVictor smart replacement high yield ink cartridges for HP products. So these are refurbished and remanufactured ones. Should be highly compatible with all the HP products and make a bunch of different ones that fit a bunch of different printers. These are the 63XL black and color. So let's actually just stick these in our printer and see how well they work. Yeah, the remanufactured ones significantly less expensive than the other ones. So let's see how well they work. These are supposed to have like higher ink capacity as well. Okay, friends. Well, I'm going to just put these in my HP printer here. Simply remove them from the plastic. All right, so you open up the front cover of your printer, and then in here's a little printer thing for the ink to access. Open those up. Those should slide over. There they are right there. Okay, so we're just gonna reach in, press down on it to get out our old ink cartridge, and then we want to press down on it. So just basically push down on the top. It pops it down a little bit, and then you can just bring it out. Okay, so make sure with these EcoVictor that you just pull off the ones that it says to. So one says do not remove. We don't want to remove that, but we want to take off the one on the bottom. So do not remove this portion. Okay, then we just slip it in there, just reverse it, push it in there, and then just press on the front of the ink cartridge with your finger. And it should hear it snap into place, just like that. And then same thing with our black cartridge. Pull this one off on the side here. And we're just gonna snap that right in there, press it in there nice and gentle. If it doesn't go pretty easy, you don't wanna force it, just like that. Our cartridges are replaced now. Okay, let's print something out here, show you how well those work, shall we? Okay, give me a little message here. It says, previously used genuine HP cartridges installed. So it's recognized them as used HP cartridges. Load plain paper in tray. Okay. It's going to do its little thing. Aligning the printer, and it'll take care of all that. So very cool. These EcoVictor ones, just plugged it in. Recognized immediately by the HP printer here. It's printing it out. Oops, let me get this little thing out here. So very convenient. These have an upgraded chip in them to ensure seamless compatibility. And as you saw, it was just plug and play, recognized immediately. Sometimes you get remanufactured, refurbished ones, and the HP printers will not recognize them. So these are high yield ink cartridges. And look at that. That is flawless there. So we just put this in our scanner for setup. And I actually had the previous one here with the original ink cartridges. I'll do a side by side. So I had the old ones in there, and now these ones, the EcoVictor ones. Wow, so the original HP cartridges like kind of missed. Let me see, I had that in there. So this one here, it had a little bit of missing stuff on the there, and this one's like flawless. So that's super cool. Let's finish the setup here. All right, plus this on the thing, front corner, lid down. Okay, close that and finish the setup. Okay. All right, let's print out. We'll test out the color here. Yeah, these ink cartridges there was no, like if you look at this paper, it has a couple little like pixel lines are missing in there. These ink cartridges, nothing like that, so that's really cool. Let's let it do its thing here. Okay, just picked out a little painting here online to print out. And it's working nice and quickly here. Wow. Wow, look at that. The quality there. This is normal paper, but just an excellent job it did. So super fast printing, whether it's black and white, as you saw with the other one, or the color printing. These ones, very impressed with these EcoVictor. I've got replaceable cartridges before. They didn't even work. I put them in my printer and it was like nothing I could do for the printer to like accept them. I've tried like the refill ones before. Same thing. It was just like it would smear and wouldn't print properly. These, this one actually printed better than the original HP ones, so it's pretty crazy. These have the Amazon climate pledge friendly stamp of approval, so they're durable and harmless raw materials. So pretty cool. Work excellent, my friends. Can't really, I mean, yeah, flawless, no problem at all. So thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.